Hey there, welcome to this video on creating a successful e-commerce brand. In today's world, online shopping has become a part of our daily routine. With the increasing demand for online shopping, the e-commerce industry has grown significantly, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. In this video, I will take you through the steps to create a successful e-commerce brand. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step in creating a successful e-commerce brand is finding your niche. You need to identify a gap in the market that you can fill. It's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about because it will be easier for you to market and promote your products. Start by researching your potential customers' needs, desires, and pain points. You can use tools like Google Trends or social media platforms to identify trends in your niche. Step 2. Build your brand identity. Once you have identified your niche, the next step is to build your brand identity. Your brand identity includes your brand name, logo, website, and social media presence. Your brand identity should be consistent across all platforms to create a strong brand image. Make sure your brand identity aligns with your niche and target audience. Step 3. Build your website. Your website is the heart of your e-commerce business. It's where customers will browse and purchase your products. A well-designed website will help you build trust with your customers and increase sales. Your website should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Step 4. Create content to drive traffic. Creating high-quality content is crucial to driving traffic to your e-commerce website. You can use various types of content, such as blog posts, social media posts, videos, and podcasts, to drive traffic to your website. The content you create should be valuable, informative, and engaging. It should also align with your brand identity and niche. Step 5. Invest in digital marketing. Investing in digital marketing is essential to promote your e-commerce brand. You can use various digital marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, pay-per-click PPC advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing to reach your target audience. The key is to choose the right digital marketing strategy that aligns with your niche and target audience. Step 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is essential to building a successful e-commerce brand. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business, and you need to treat them well. Make sure you're responsive to their queries and complaints, and you provide timely and accurate information. You can also offer incentives, such as free shipping or discounts, to retain your customers and build customer loyalty. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating a successful e-commerce brand requires hard work, dedication, and a clear strategy. By following these steps, you can build a strong brand image, drive traffic to your website, and increase sales. Remember to stay focused on your niche, provide high-quality products and services, and always put your customers first. Good luck with your e-commerce business.